Reddit in the red following analysts James Cordwell and Joseph Barker of Redburn Atlantic, initiating coverage on Reddit with a sell recommendation. They argue that while the company has seen strong financial performance since its IPO, Wall Street is not accounting for the vulnerability of Reddit's growth to Google search. The analysts predict that user growth will stall in 2025 and believe that Reddit's current advertising proposition is insufficient compared to more advanced peers. In contrast, Luminar Technologies shares rose by 27% after a YouTube video featuring former NASA scientist Mark Rober showed their LiDAR technology outperforming Tesla's autopilot feature in 6 tests. Luminar's LiDAR uses laser pulses to measure the distance between objects and create a 3-dimensional map of its surroundings, offering an alternative to Tesla's camera-based system. Despite the surge, Luminar shares are still down 80% from their peak in July. The company is set to report its fourth quarter 2024 earnings on March 20th. For the fourth quarter, Luminar expects revenues to grow moderately compared to Q3 2024, driven by growth in sensor sales. Some key factors to keep in mind are the slower ramp-up in series production for automotive customers and higher inventory levels, as well as cost-saving measures aimed at improving its financial position. Despite challenges, Luminar has made progress on key business milestones, such as expanding its partner network and preparing for mass adoption of next-gen LiDAR technology. Sticking with vehicles, Rivian CEO RJ Scaringe will participate in a fireside chat at the Wolfe Research Virtual Auto Summit on March 18th at 12:30 p.m. ET. The event will be hosted by Emmanuel Rosner and Shreyas Patil from Wolfe. As for Faraday Future, it established a new subsidiary called Future AIHER that is dedicated to developing and commercializing artificial intelligence, AI, hybrid extended-range electric powertrain systems for extended-range electric vehicles, EREVs. The company hosted its first OpenAI Day at its Los Angeles headquarters, showcasing its current and future AI strategy developments, including the establishment of Future AIHER. The event brought together AI experts, panel guests, potential future AI talents, and FF employees to discuss topics related to AI, products, and technology. Faraday Future aims to introduce an AI-powered strategy that will deliver multi-dimensional value, including new revenue streams through in-car subscriptions and AI-driven services. Their products could act as intelligent partners, with a focus on natural interaction methods like voice and gesture controls for personalized experiences. The company says it's driving the evolution of cars from traditional vehicles to intelligent mobile devices through their AI-first approach and collaboration with global developers and AI experts. FF's AI product development consists of 4 phases, including building an AI automotive operating system, AIOS, and opening APIs to encourage co-creation. They plan to accelerate the launch of 3 core AI-powered products in potential future FX mass production models, while prioritizing powertrain innovations. Faraday Future's Super AI hybrid extended range system is meant to address issues in plug-in hybrid powertrains such as delayed power delivery, weak performance, limited intelligence capabilities, and high costs. The company aims to lead the transformation of powertrain technology with its 2-phase strategic plan, integrating existing third-party range extender tech into Faraday X concept vehicles for faster market entry, and designing and developing AI-driven range extender solutions in the long term. They state AI will reshape the use of automobiles, restructure the way people move, and offer growing opportunities for intelligent technology integration. Up in the sky, Joby Aviation partnered with Virgin Atlantic to launch their electric air taxi service in the UK. The partnership aims to offer short-range journeys across the country that are zero-emission and seamless. Virgin Atlantic customers will be able to reserve a seat on Joby's aircraft through the airline's app, website, and other channels. The electric air taxi is designed to carry up to 5 people at speeds of up to 200 miles per hour with 6 tilting propellers allowing for vertical takeoff and landing while producing less noise than helicopters. For more on Joby and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.